Welcome to our channel. This is part 2 of chemistry chapter 1 class 10 chemical reactions and equations. If you want to watch part 1, you can go on my channel and search it for part 1. Okay, so in this chapter we will cover how to balance equations. And we will also see, so in this chapter, in this part we'll see what are how to balance equations and what are chemical equations. So first of all, what are chemical equations? So basically chemical equation means that the method of representing a reaction, a chemical reaction, with the help of symbols and formulas of the substances involved. And I can give you an example like zinc plus sulfuric acid. यह हमारा रिएक्टेंट है और हमारा प्रोडक्ट आएगा जिंक सल्फेट प्लस हाइड्रोजन. So basically in chemistry we prefer word equation. Basically we prefer formula of the equation, not word equation. So we can also write it in as formula. Like first we'll write the symbol of the zinc, Zn, plus sulfuric acid. It means H2SO4, which is equals to ZnSO4 plus H2. And how will we know that this is a balancing equation? So basically there is a method to see it. First we'll make a line and then write in reactants in product. So basically we need to write like Zn atoms. How many Zn atoms are there in reactant? We can see that there is only one atom of zinc. So we'll write it here 1. And here also it is only 1 because no number is written here. So we'll write here 1. It means zinc is balanced. Now we'll see hydrogen atoms. So we can see that here are 2 atoms of hydrogen and here are also 2. It means they are same in both in reactant and product. So now we'll see. So now we'll see sulfur atoms. So how many sulfur atoms are there in reactant? This is our reactant. 4. Sorry. There are only 1 because no number is there here. So 1 and 1. Now oxygen atoms. Here are 4 atoms and here are also 4 atoms. So we can see that in both reactant and product the atoms are same. It means it is a balanced equation. Now we'll see an unbalanced equation. So it is the equation of water. Okay, so we can see that here are 2 atoms of hydrogen and here also. It means hydrogen is balanced. And atoms of oxygen are here are 2 and here are no atoms. It means there are only one atom. It means that on the product side the odd number is 1. So we'll write here 2 to balance it. So the atoms of hydrogen here will become 4. So that's why I need to put 2 here also, so that they get balanced on both the sides. We cannot change this number. We can only put in front the numbers. Here we'll see an example of potassium chloride. So the formula of potassium chloride is KClO3 एक सॉलिड है, तो KCl plus 3O2. Here we can see that it is a decomposition reaction, and we can also say that this is not balanced properly. So to balance it, we'll see. So here we can see that 3 atoms of oxygen are there, but here are only 2. So we'll multiply it by 3. So it will become 6. So we have to also do it here also to balance the oxygen atoms. But these 2 also get the atoms. So that's why we'll do here also. Now this equation is balanced. For example, if we get a word equation like copper sulfide, for example, if we get a word equation and the question is like balance the following equation and also write it in a formula version. So we can see that copper sulfide, and this is a reactant and this is our product. So first of all, we'll write the formula of copper sulfide, which is CuSO4, and the formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH, and then the product is CuOH2 plus Na2SO4. Here we can see that it is not balanced properly because, and first of all we'll see that in the reactant, in the product side, which is the odd number. So we can see that this is the odd. So we'll see that it is balanced or not. So here you can see that 2 is there, but here it is not. So what we will do, we will multiply it by 2. So it got balanced because Na2 and OH2. So it got balanced properly. Okay, now I'll meet you in the next video. Please subscribe my channel, like and share. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.